people are frustrated in life because they've got a hard time trying to accomplish things. You may wonder why, for some people, life seems to be really easy, but for other people, no matter how hard they work, they just don't seem to get anywhere. Now, what it comes down to is that life offers some very basic, simple tools, and the people that know them, they have a very easy time with things, but the people that don't know them, they have a very difficult time. So where you might find, for example, there's business owners and there's business leaders. What's the difference between them? So a business owner is focusing on a narrow set of issues related to a business, but a business leader is focusing on all the things that affect a business. So it's not just business, but it's life, relationships, wellness, spirituality. So all the things that affect people that the business leader that focuses on, and it's only business that a business owner focuses on. So if you're going to be a leader, whether it's for your own life to create the wealth and the abundance that you want, or whether it's for running a company or managing a company or managing a group of people, it comes down to being able to manage people, to be able to coach people. So if you're in a position of leadership, whether you want to be in leadership in your family, in your life, in your business, in your company, or someone else's company, then the Apprentice Coach Training Program may be a great place for you to start. Because not only do you gain the business skills that you need, let's say if you're starting a business, then you need business skills, but along with that, every action you're taking is also going to be dealing with people. You're not dealing with business problems or life problems. Everything comes down to interaction with people, and when you have the ability to interact with people, then you have the ability to succeed as a leader. So as you move from 2019 going towards 2020, get clarity on where we're going, and consider the Apprentice Coach Training Program as a path for anyone, from whether it's as a family leader or a business leader, as a great way to find the skills and to practice the skills to become the true leader that you can be. Looking forward to speaking with you.